Welcome, here I've got ASUS ROG Phone 3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera sounds at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. Now we can hear the sound. To turn it off, let's move to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide down a little bit to the other settings, and at the second place here we have the camera sound option. So by using this button we can turn it off and of course turn it on again as we need. Now let me keep this turned off. When we go back to the camera and take another picture, we can't hear the sound now. And of course we can turn it on again by going to the left corner, sliding a little bit and using this button. So for now we can hear the sound again when we take a picture. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.